Here I am at 19 Horse Farm Road in Trenton. Was going to do the outside first, but had to take my shoes off for the video. So here we are, and you come in the main door. You can see there's my boots. There's a double window here. Just let you see there's a nice looking area out here. Gorgeous fireplace. And it looks into an open concept dining room. And then the kitchen will be to the left. Love the windows. The wood's beautiful. Try to get the full ceiling for you a moment. I don't see any issues at all there. So again, the living room area into the dining room area. And then there's the kitchen. Down the hallway, I'll go to the basement after. You can see there's a bathroom to the right. Everything is winterized right now, and it's cool in here. It's a good sized bathroom. There's a bedroom after to the right. Storage right now, 4 chairs that go on the deck. There's a closet. Let's see if I can get it open so you can see. Good size closet. The rug goes into the closet. And then there's another full bedroom here. There's a door you can open. And just look outside the window a minute. You can see some great trees. Closet's actually opened here. Big walk-in closet. Let's go upstairs and then we'll come back. I'll shut some of the lights off as we go. And we'll come back and do the basement afterwards. Let's go upstairs though. Wonderful view, and with the snow falling today, it's so pretty here. Let's go back. The stairs here. You can see they had an office set up here. Again, got the view. Beautiful wood. I don't see any leaks. I don't see any issues here. Find that light switch. There's a bedroom up here. A lot of great wood. Let's look out the window to the back here. Has 2.27 acres. There is a house through the trees over there. See if I can find a light for this half of that. So, actually it's a full bath. Get a shower. Sorry. All right. Let's. Another closet. Let's go downstairs. Cute little nook. And again, if that fire was on today, it would feel lovely. It's very chilly in here right now. Downstairs we go. And let's go peek at the basement. All right, it's a dry basement. As you can see, this oil tank is here. They have a little heater when they want to have that on. Wash and dryer, Let's see what's behind door number 1. No light switch. It's the furnace. There's no light switch. Sorry, not much for light here, but it is the furnace. And I can't turn it on, there's no light. A couple other doors, they have everything closed off. Power meters over there. This is where they keep the storage. Lots of storage. Let's see. Another door here. Oh, I dropped my glasses. That one's locked. Let's see. Hold on. I can't get that one open. Sorry. But lots of space. That may be an external door. I'd put some boards on the back of these stairs. Finish them off. It is chilly in here today. All right. Just a little peek around again, the kitchen. I love those windows. They look good. This seal does look like it might have an issue on the door. Can't quite tell. It's definitely cold. Not sure about that. That's the only thing I've noticed. And there's this. Other than that, it's a sweet little place. All right. Let me know if you have questions.